This video, I'm going to discuss some PYQs, previous year questions. All questions are related to nomenclature and some questions from mains exam and some other questions from advanced. You just to see how the questions are being asked in competitive exams like JEE Mains and Advanced. So let us see the first question. Here they are asking the correct IUPAC name of the compound, and here this is benzene derivative. You have NO2 group, chlorine and methyl. All are prefixes. All names are prefixes. Therefore, we have to depend only on least locant rule. There is no functional group. There is no suffix name. So hit and trial you have to check, and by taking all combinations, you will be coming to one conclusion that so this will be the first carbon, second carbon, and fourth carbon. You take any other combination, least locant rule says that particular combination will be wrong. So 1, 2, 4. If you start from here, you move in clockwise, anti-clockwise. You start from here, you move in clockwise, anti-clockwise. You will get different combinations. After taking all the combinations, it is very clear that methyl containing carbon is the first carbon. Only alphabetical order. This is chloro, this is methyl, and this is nitro. So the name of the compound will be 2 chloro, 1 methyl, 4 nitro benzene. So the answer will be C. And the next example, we have carboxylic acid, alcohol. According to IUPAC sequence rule, carboxylic acid carbon gets more priority. Therefore, this is the correct numbering. And here we have a prefix name, that is methyl, hydroxy, alphabetical order. Hydroxy H, methyl M. So hydroxy comes first according to alphabetization, alphabetical order rule. So 3 hydroxy, 4 methyl pentanoic acid. So here this is wrong, this is wrong. 3 hydroxy, so this will be 3 hydroxy 4 methyl pentanoic acid. Here you try to develop a habit that treat the question as a subjective. If you are looking at the options unknowingly, your time will be wasted. So if you are thorough with the subject, you just feel the question is a subjective, the question has no options. When you follow that particular pattern, you can save the time. So you just feel the question is a subjective. Next question, third one, correct IUPAC name of the compound. Again we have various combinations. So this will be the correct combination. After applying all the rules, you will conclude that this is the longest chain. One terminal has En double bond, another terminal has Yn. According to alphabetical order, double bond gets more priority because least locant rule, if you apply, least locant rule says from both the terminals the locations are same. So in that situation, we consider double bond has more priority when compared to triple bond. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We have one methyl here, one methyl here, and here we have propyl group. So 3, 5 dimethyl, 4 propyl. 3, 5 dimethyl, 4 propyl. Two options you have. But here after writing root word 1 in 6 ine, but here this option says 6 in 1 ine, that is wrong. So numbering is wrong. So the correct answer will be D. In the next question, you have double bond is the functional group in this. So the longest chain will be this one. So totally we have 5 carbons. Double bond has to get a least possible number. Therefore, numbering will be from this side. And here we have 2 branches. One is methyl, another one is bromo. Alphabetical order: 4 bromo, 3 methyl, pent 2 in, and the correct answer is D. So if you are approaching through subject, there will be no requirement to see the options. When you are seeing the options unknowingly, your time will be wasted, and you just feel that the question is subjective. Subjective means the question has no options. If you are 100% thorough with the concepts, options are actually not required. So that is my strategy. And the next one, here you have benzene, alcohol, nitrile, bromine, cyanide, nitrile functional group should get more priority. After that, bromine and OH both are prefix names only. So least locant rule will come into the picture. The best combination, the correct combination is this one. And here it is bromine, this is hydroxy, alphabetical order, bromine comes first. 2 bromo 5 hydroxy, this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. Only one option you have, blindly you can go for it. 2 bromo 5 hydroxy benzonitrile. Benzene carbonitrile is the correct IUPAC name. Benzonitrile, it was the common name, but IUPAC accepted. Therefore benzene carbonitrile is more appropriate, but benzonitrile is also accepted by IUPAC. Therefore the answer will be second. Here the correct name of the following compound, and this is multi correct type. This is multi correct type. And here if you see, it has benzene name and another one is toluene name. Benzene name and toluene, because toluene is also IUPAC name. Whenever you are saying toluene name, very clear, this will be the first carbon and this will be fourth. First let us give the benzene name. When you give the benzene name, this is the first carbon and this is the fourth carbon, alphabetical order, because least locant rule from both the sides it is 1 and 4. When you are giving benzene name, you have to say 1 chloro 4 methyl benzene. 1 chloro 4 methyl benzene, this is correct. And also it can be given toluene name. Whenever you are saying toluene name, this is toluene and this is the first carbon and this is the fourth carbon, the name of this compound will be 4-chlorotoluene. 4-chlorotoluene. And here we have another question. In this they are asking incorrectly given IUPAC name. In which option the given name is incorrect? So obviously here we have to check the options. So this is ethyl 1 2 3 4, ethyl butanoate. So here this is correct IUPAC name. Next one, so this is ketone functional group. Numbering should be from left side, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 2 comma 4 dimethyl hexane 3 one 3 hexanone. So this is also correct. This is correct IUPAC name. And the next one, numbering must be from left side, 1 2 3 4. The correct name will be 3 methyl. It should be 3 methyl because alcohol secondary suffix, methyl secondary prefix, suffix gets more priority. This is the correct number, but here they are saying 2 methyl 3 butanol, they gave wrong numbering, therefore it is incorrect. This is incorrect. And here fourth option, if you see, this is 1 2 3 4 butanol, this is correct, but he is asking incorrect. Therefore the correct answer will be C, because C is incorrect and he is asking incorrect option. And the next example we have alcohol functional group. So this is the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. So 3 comma 3 dimethyl cyclohexane 1-ol. So 3 comma 3 dimethyl cyclohexane 1-ol. So correct answer will be C. Next, double bond is the functional group. Here chlorine, bromine names are a secondary prefix. Double bond name is a primary suffix. So primary suffix always receives more priority when compared to secondary prefix. So double bonded carbon should get the priority. So here this carbon or this carbon you can start. But whenever double bonded carbon is however getting the same number, then you have to consider substituents. So accordingly, this is the first carbon, second carbon and third carbon. So two prefixes we have, they must be according to alphabetical order. So 3 bromo, 1 chloro, cyclohexanine, 3 bromo. So here this is saying 2 bromo, this is wrong, 1 bromo wrong, 6 bromo wrong, it is a 3 bromo. 3 bromo, 1 chloro, cyclohexanine. The correct answer will be B. Next, here we have alcohol. This is secondary suffix and these are primary suffixes. So if you see the numbering from left side, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. If you give numbering from right side, 1, 2, 3, 4. So however, alcohol is receiving the same number from both the ends. Since alcohol is getting same numbers, here you have to consider primary suffix. Here it is in, this is yn. If you start from this place, it will be second. If you start from this place, it will be second. That means least locant rule is completely helpless. Therefore, we have to consider double bond gets more priority when compared to triple bond. Based on that, this is first carbon, second carbon, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. So root word is hept. So hept 2 in, 5 ein, 4 ol. Hept 2 in, 5 ein, 4 ol. So the correct answer will be B. You can see how simple the questions are. And here we have double bond. So numbering must be from this side 1, 2, 3. If you go right side, you will get only 1 carbon. If you come left side, you will be getting 2 carbons. Longest chain we have to select. This is bromomethyl. This is chloro. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 carbon, that chain is correct. This is bromomethyl and this is chloro. Alphabetical order. So this is 3 bromomethyl, 5 chloro, pentvanene. Since it is a complex substituents, its name should be enclosed in brackets. Therefore, this is 3 bromomethyl, 5 chloro, pentvanene. So the answer will be C. Next, we have amide functional group. This is the first carbon. This is the second carbon. You have two options. You can move right side, 2 carbons you will get, left side 2 carbons. That means the length of the carbon chain is the same. In that situation, we have to use the sequence rule. Double bond is more important when compared to triple bond. So based on that, this will be third carbon and this will be fourth carbon. And the name of this group is ethynyl, that is present at second place. So 2 ethynyl, but 3 in, 1 amide. So this is the correct answer. Next, you have aldehyde functional group, alcohol functional group. Aldehyde receives more priority. Least locant rule says 3 and 5. Left side also 3 and 5. Hence, I am just considering alphabetical order. So there should be no confusion at all. And it will be 3 bromo, 5 hydroxy, benzene carbaldehyde. But benzaldehyde is also correct. Even in my previous videos, repeatedly I was saying the same thing. Benzene carbaldehyde is more systematic. Benzaldehyde is accepted by IUPAC. So that is being used actually, benzaldehyde. So ultimately 3 bromo. So this is wrong, this is wrong. 3 bromo, 5 hydroxy, but here it is saying formyl. So that is definitely wrong. So because it should be benzaldehyde. So benzaldehyde 3 bromo, 5 hydroxy, benzaldehyde.